This is a quick tutorial about how to view the APA skills assessment so that it is more legible for you. In the class, go to Content, find the APA section in Unit 2, and go to the APA skills assessment. Open up that document, and you'll see the instructions for this graded assignment. It involves screenshots of 4 different articles that you will use for the assignment, and it's not too bad in D2L, but it might be a little bit small, a little bit difficult to read. So what I would recommend is that you download the document into Microsoft Word, go to View, let me show you that, go to View, first click Edit Document so that it's one page, and then go up to View and choose Zoom. And instead of it being very small, hard to see, you can expand it. I would start with 200%. Click OK. That should be large enough for you to see, but you can zoom it, you can type in any number you choose, and it will make the article larger. And here you can see that the text is not blurry, it is larger, easier to see. You can see the authors, title, all of that good stuff. And even with the article from the internet, you can see the URL address clearly here. Whereas I think in the D2L view, or if you just print it out, you might find that information a little bit blurry. So hopefully this will help you as you work on completing the APA skills assessment.